All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and review of the Pitaka Mag-Easy case for my Samsung Galaxy S21. So this case comes in at $49.99. You can follow my affiliate links down in the description if you do feel inclined to purchase this after you watch the video. This case was sent to me free of charge for my unbiased opinion from Pitaka, so big thank you for this. Now, as far as the unboxing experience goes, the box actually is not that bad. It's actually a pretty nice little box. Got some social media follows there. You can obviously see the case on an S21. And then it does say here that it's made of 100% genuine aramid fibers, which I'll talk about here in a sec. It's super lightweight, it is super thin, and it is wireless charging friendly. And then here on the back, it does talk about that it's a bulletproof material. So this aramid fiber is literally aerospace grade material. So it's some high-end stuff, super durable, it's form-fitting to the phone. So it's definitely going to protect the phone without, like it says, the unnecessary bulk. Now it does have these metal strips inside embedded into the case that does allow it to be compatible with like magnetic different mounts and things like that. The big boy thing that's going to be a part of it is this here, which is their Qi Wireless Mag-Easy mount, car mount, which I'm really excited about doing a video. And you do need this Samsung extra mount to be able to use it with this Mag-Easy case, but I'll be doing a separate video on that. And then of course it does talk about, once again, wireless charging friendly. So the way to unbox this is you literally just slide this up, and this is what you're greeted with. So it says Alternative Tech Life, and then you just literally just open it like a book, and there's the case. And you are greeted with some removal instructions. So if it's an iPhone, there you go. If it's a Samsung, there you go. Pretty generic stuff when it comes to taking it off and on. Now, as far as the inside of what is in here, let's go ahead and get all this out. I'll move this to the side. So you have a thank you card here, and then a VIP treatment. So if you scan the QR code here, you can register on their website. And then of course you do have kind of like their product catalog here. And as you can see here, they make a ton of stuff. So if you go to their website, which is the letter I, pitaka.com, you can see all their awesome stuff. That's just like the carbon fiber style. They make wallets, they make everything. So it's, you know, pretty cool little website. You can get in some big trouble spending a lot of money on there. But here is the case itself. As you can see, it is an extremely thin, lightweight case. I mean, it is super thin, but as far as the inside goes, as you can see here, it says compatible with the magnetic mount, which once again, that's the Mag-Easy, different things that they have, the Mag-Easy Qi wireless charger. They have just a regular, just car mount that you can use that's not wirelessly charging your phone. But as you can see here, it's all the same material. So the whole entire case is made of that aramid fiber material. And as you can see in here, it's just all throughout the case. So let's go ahead and grab my Phantom Gray S21 and slap it in. So literally all I'm gonna do is just kind of pop it in the corners and push. And there we go. And there is the actual case on my S21. So as you can see here, you do have this nice little cutout here for your camera bump. And as you can see, there are some raised bezels here. So you are going to be getting camera lens protection. Even though this is such a thin case, you are getting some little raised bezels there that are going to protect it. And you do have a single circular cutout there for the flash, and it's individual, which some cases are doing like the half circle, some cases are doing a square, but I like the minimal look of just that complete cutout, single little cutout for the flash. But once you do put it back down on a surface, let's go ahead and see if it's got any shake. A little bit of a shake, but not much, but that's to be expected with the little bump there on the camera bump. But as far as everything goes, it's super slim all around. Looking at the side here, as you can see, instead of it going completely over the buttons, it does very slim and very just precise cutout right there. So you have complete access to the original buttons of your volume up and down and power button. And then going down, you do have kind of the same style. So you do have a cutout there for your USB Type-C port and your microphone, and a precise cutout for the speaker grill. And then moving along, you do have the same aramid fiber material all around the sides. And then up top, you do have two individual cutouts for the microphones. On the front, you do have a little bit of a lip on the edges here, but it's not much. And the whole point is obviously this is supposed to be an extremely slim case. So if this is, you know, someone that's an outdoorsman or that's in construction and they drop their phone a lot, this case probably isn't for you. But the way I look at it, this case is perfect for someone like me who would love to be bold and not have a case on my phone, but I'm too chicken-esque to do that. So this case makes it feel like there's no case at all, and I'm still getting protection, but I'm also getting the style and the look that I love. So like I said, you are not really getting some huge lips here, but enough so when you do put it face down on a surface, there is a little bit of some protection. But like I said, don't go and chunk this, you know, 20 feet in the air, because I don't know if it's going to survive it. But another unique thing is the way that the style of the case is. As you can see here, you can see a little bit of the sides of the phone here. So it doesn't go all the way up. And the thing that I like about that is when I'm using the phone, like doing that right there, I don't feel the case. All I feel is the phone. So it's almost like I don't have a case on the front of the screen, which I really like. So whenever I'm doing like my, you know, going back to the home screen, or I'm going back, you know, using the different, you know, gestures to go back or whatever, all I'm feeling is the screen. So I really love that design. And then as you can see here, that's what I'm talking about. So you got the complete earpiece, so you don't have it covered up or a single little cutout for it. It's just completely exposed. And so, yeah. And then, like I said, you can see there too, you can even see like the antenna bands there. So pretty awesome. Now let's go ahead and do a wireless charging test real quick. So I have my new wireless charger here from Olexar, from Saying It Right. But absolutely love this wireless charger that I got. I will be doing a review of this as well. But as soon as I pop it on, you can see that it is fast wireless charging my S21. So it instantly recognized that it was on the wireless charger. So I'll do that again. So as you can see there, boom, instantly it's wirelessly charging my S21. So with how thin this case is, that is not a surprise at all that it is obviously Qi wireless charging compatible. So in my next video with this case, when I'm doing the review of the MagEZ car mount, I'll be able to show off the metal strips in the case and how it's magnetically being able to connect to that charger. But the material feels great. It feels absolutely just smooth and premium in my hand, but still has this really nice texture that it does feel like it adds some nice grip to the actual device. So if you are someone that loves a super thin case, this is definitely something, guys, to spend the money on, because in my opinion, this is one of the best little thin cases you can buy. And as you can see there, you got some very minimal branding, so it's just so sleek. It is probably my favorite carbon fiber style case so far, because it's almost like having a skin on your phone, but you get some protection out of it. Instead of it just protecting it from little scratches, it might actually protect it from a little drop. So, yeah. So hit that like button, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had any experiences with Pitaka. And then obviously hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content as I upload it. And yeah, be safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.